This vast, misty canopy is the pristine and untouched home of the glass frog.
Descending from the sun-drenched canopy, we slowly enter the hidden world beneath, where the light struggles to reach the forest floor. On a pristine leaf, a tiny glass frog named vitre rests, perfectly camouflaged among the morning dew. The tiny glass frog, almost perfectly camouflaged, is difficult to spot at first. In the pristine waters of a clear mountain stream, a creature of remarkable transparency resides. The calm awareness in Vitre's eyes mirrors the serene environment of its freshwater home. Its translucent skin reveals the faint outlines of its delicate internal organs.
The delicate ecosystem of a clear freshwater stream reveals wonders unseen by the casual observer.
The tiny, beating heart of Vitre, visible through its translucent chest, pulses rhythmically with life. Vitre's heart beats steadily, pumping life through its intricate system. Its dark red liver and complex digestive tract are marvels of nature. The camera continues its slow pan along Vitre's digestive system, tracking the delicate, visible tubes inside its transparent body. The frog's translucent body allows us to observe its inner workings. This vibrant frog, known as Vitre, rests on a lush green leaf, its lime green back blending almost perfectly with the surface. Its slender limbs stretching momentarily, revealing the small, defined suction pads on its toes gripping the leaf. Vitre, a tiny creature, exists within the immense rainforest, a vast and serene world. Its body appearing even more transparent under the intense sunlight. Here, a scientific overlay animates on the frog's body, illustrating the flow of vibrant red blood cells circulating through its visible circulatory system. Red blood cells are drawn out of circulation and packed densely into the liver. The CGI overlay fades away, leaving the real image of the Vitre, now almost completely invisible. The frog remains perfectly still, relying on its incredible transparency for survival.
The water's subtle movements create a serene environment.
The danger has passed, and Vitre remains safe and motionless on the leaf, its camouflage having succeeded perfectly. The leaf's transparency is a striking parallel to the delicate skin of this unique amphibian. The incredible transparency of its skin allows us a rare glimpse into the delicate balance of its internal organs. We see the extraordinary transparency of its skin, a window into life itself. The frog's skin allows light to pass directly through, revealing its internal organs and the leaf beneath. This Vitre is now undisturbed on its leaf, resting peacefully once more. This delicate balance is vital for the survival of many species. The clear freshwater stream, a vital lifeline, flows gently, supporting a delicate ecosystem where life thrives. This vital water source meanders around moss-covered rocks and ancient tree roots. The clear freshwater stream, home to a myriad of life, flows gently over a bed of sand and pebbles. The shadow of a small fish passes harmlessly beneath the frog, completely unaware of its presence above. As the day ends, the world beneath the surface slowly gives way to the fading light.
As day gives way to night, a new energy stirs in the rainforest.
As the night deepens, the circulation within the glass frog slows, rendering it almost invisible. Vitre turns its head, its large eyes scanning the surroundings, perfectly adapted for nocturnal vision and hunting small insects. A tiny insect flies near the leaf. Vitre tracks its movement intently, its body tensed and ready to strike. In a flash, a hungry frog seizes its unsuspecting prey.
We are witnessing a live demonstration of its anatomy at work.
After its meal, Vitré lets out a soft call, its vocal sac inflating and deflating.
As the light fades, the male's call cuts through the twilight.
The female glass frog makes a series of careful hops from leaf to leaf, closing the distance to the calling male. The female lands on the same leaf. They face each other for a moment, initiating a delicate courtship ritual. The frogs move together to the underside of the leaf, positioning themselves directly above the flowing freshwater stream below. The female deposits her small, gelatinous clutch of translucent eggs onto the leaf's surface, while the male Vitré. After laying the eggs, the female departs, leaving the male to stand guard nearby, protecting the precious clutch from predators.
Here, an extreme macro view reveals the delicate egg clutch. Inside each transparent sphere,
Here, life is taking shape, hidden within translucent eggs. Over several days, these tiny embryos grow larger. A parasitic wasp approaches the egg clutch, but the Vitré quickly moves to intercept it, actively defending its offspring from the threat. The wasp flies away, deterred by the defense. The frog returns to its post, nudging the egg clutch gently as if to check on them. Weeks later, an embryo inside one of the eggs begins to wiggle vigorously, signaling it is ready to hatch.
The tiny tadpole breaks free from its egg casing and wriggles out, hanging precariously from the edge of the gelatinous mass.
The tadpole lets go, beginning its first journey, a free fall from the leaf towards the stream waiting below.
A high-speed, slow-motion shot captures the tadpole's descent through the air, its tiny body twisting as it falls. A tadpole hits the water's surface, creating a tiny splash and ripple before disappearing into the clear stream. The tadpole quickly orients itself, swimming towards the safety of the submerged rocks. One by one, other tadpoles hatch and drop into the stream, joining their siblings in the water below, as These tiny tadpoles embody the cycle of transformation within the tranquil stream.
The tadpole's transformation will soon begin, a journey from water to land, from gill to lung.
As a tadpole grows larger, its body elongates and two hind legs begin to sprout from its tail base. As the time-lapse continues, the young Vitré's front legs emerge and its tail begins to shorten, its body shape transforming into that of a froglet. Emerging into a new world, the froglet takes its first breath, a pivotal moment in its remarkable transformation. Here, the small froglet Vitré clings to a floating twig, experiencing the world above the water for the first time.
Vitré takes its first leap, jumping from the twig onto a damp, mossy rock at the edge of the stream.
The delicate balance of life unfolds at the stream's edge.
Vitré pauses and looks up towards the high canopy, the place that will soon become its permanent home. Vitré begins its ascent, climbing up the stem of a large fern, its toe pads providing excellent grip on the vertical surface.
The vibrant green frog, Vitré, begins its ascent.
Having completed its transformation from aquatic tadpole to arboreal frog, Vitré finally reaches a broad. Now, Vitré, the glass frog, an adult at last, ready to begin its life in the canopy. The tranquility is suddenly broken by a distant, unnatural rumbling sound. Below the surface, a hidden world thrives in peaceful tranquility. But even here, nature's raw power. The vibration from the fallen tree shakes its leaf slightly, and small bits of dust and debris rain down around it.
Sediment and organic matter can disrupt the natural equilibrium of a freshwater environment.
The muddy water now flows over the submerged rocks, polluting the nursery habitat for tadpoles.
As the water swirls around the hidden rocks, a small tree frog emerges from the depths.
Vitre's habitat is a fragile ecosystem. Its clear freshwater stream with aquatic plants and a sandy bottom provides a serene environment.
In the quiet depths of this freshwater stream, vital clues about its health are collected.
The cloudy, sediment-filled water is a clear sign of environmental damage.
The delicate balance of this vibrant ecosystem is a constant struggle. A quiet stream, a delicate balance of life, a home for creatures like Vitre. As the gentle rain begins to fall, Vitre finds shelter under a broad leaf. Because of the deforestation, the heavy rain causes significant soil erosion, washing more mud and debris directly into the stream. The once serene stream transforms into a turbulent, brown torrent, its current much stronger now, forcing Vitre to sides. A broken branch is carried swiftly by the current and collides with the leaf Vitre is on, shaking it violently, and Vitre loses its grip for a second but manages to hang on, its limbs splayed as it struggles to maintain its hold amidst the chaos. A cool mist envelops the forest floor, suggesting a change in the microclimate that affects Vitre.
Its delicate skin makes it extremely sensitive to environmental shifts.
What was once a vibrant home for Vitre is now a bleak, deforested expanse. The rain finally subsides, leaving behind a scene of destruction. Vitre surveys its altered surroundings. And this return to the water's edge is an act of restoration, as Vitre watches from a distance.
A hopeful gesture of reforestation.
The conservationist pauses her work and looks in Vitre's direction, a moment of connection between the human helper and the creature. Perhaps sensing a change, Vitre shifts its position on the leaf, a small movement that signifies resilient life persisting against the odds. In the heart of this aquatic ecosystem, a delicate balance is maintained. Vitre, with its translucent skin, the reforested area now shows new green shoots. Vitre is perched on a fresh, healthy leaf in the recovering habitat. The stream below Vitre is once again clear and pristine, its gentle flow sparkling as sunlight filters through the recovering canopy. Here, aquatic plants are thriving again, and a new generation of tadpoles, Vitre's descendants, are swimming freely. Vitre looks down towards the healthy stream, a guardian watching over the future of its species, its lime-green skin vibrant in the clean light.
This area is now protected, with Vitre visible in the scene.
In this pristine ecosystem, Vitre, a living testament to nature's resilience, thrives in a delicate balance. Here in its natural habitat, Vitre thrives, a living testament to the ongoing success of our dedicated conservation efforts. The clear, healthy call of the Vitre echoes through the restored forest, a sound of life and hope. The water here, cold and clear, flows through a rejuvenated forest, creating a healthy ecosystem.
Vitre's clear skin acts as a living indicator of the pristine, unpolluted environment it now inhabits.
Vitre's home is safe, and the rainforest canopy is vibrant and whole again.
Vitre performs a natural grooming behavior, wiping one of its large eyes with its hind foot in a charming, deliberate motion.
Vitre stretches its limbs languidly on the leaf, a picture of a creature completely at ease and secure in its restored home.
The clear freshwater stream, with submerged rocks and lush aquatic plants, provides a serene environment.
This is Vitre, the tree frog. Its translucent skin allows us to see its internal organs. A living Vitre's eye reflects a perfect, undistorted image of the lush green forest and a clear blue sky, a symbol of a hopeful future. As the light fades, Vitre blends back into the vastness of its rainforest home, a hidden jewel to be protected.